Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the deduction of the properties, measurement, and relationship of points, lines, angles, and figures. Point. Ow! A point is a location that has no size or shape. See this little dot? That's a point. Points can be planted on graphs or planes or lines. Ooh, line. A line is a series of points that extends in two opposite directions and named by 2 points. This line would be called line XY or line YX. Like this. This is how it would look like if you wrote out line XY or line YX. Plane. A plane is a flat surface that has no thickness, can contain many lines, and extends without end in all directions of its lines. When naming the plane, you must include at least 3 points. Collinear. Collinear means points that are on the same line. See how points A, B, and C are all on the same line? That means points A, B, and C are all collinear. Coplanar. Coplanar means points or lines that are on the same plane. See how the green and blue points are all on the same plane? They're coplanar. Ta-da! Segment. A segment is a part of a line consisting of 2 endpoints and all the points in between. When naming it, make sure you name both the endpoints and a little line above them, but make sure you don't put arrows. Ray, a golden drop of sun! A ray is part of a line consisting of one endpoint and all the points on one side of it. It continues forever in one direction, but not in the other. This is also known as the endpoint. Remember, when naming a segment, you always start with the letter of the endpoint. Got it? So, if it goes from A and continues through B, you have to write A, B, with an arrow in one direction. The arrow is always going to be going right. Parallel lines. Whee! Parallel lines are coplanar lines that never, ever, ever intersect. Skew lines. Skew lines are non-coplanar lines that do not intersect, ever. For example, you see line GF and line AB. They are skew lines because they will never, ever intersect. Get it? Midpoint. Midpoint is the point on a line segment or an arc that is equivalent when measured along the line or the arc from both endpoints. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's speak English, please. Rewind. Midpoint is basically the middle of a line so that both ends are equal. Get it now? Yeah, I thought so. This is the midpoint formula you use when finding the midpoint of a line. x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. Angle. Angle is 2 rays that meet at a common vertex. When writing the symbol for angle, remember that it's a slanted L. So, boop, boop. That's all. Vertex. A vertex is the common point of 2 rays or 2 line segments. So, it's where they meet. Degree. A degree is the 360th part of a complete angle or turn. So, like it's out of a circle, basically. Remember, when writing the symbol for degree, it's just like the symbol they use when they're saying the temperature. So, instead of 45 degrees, you write 45 degrees. No. Instead of it being 45 degrees outside, the angle is 45 degrees. Oh, it's a cute little angle. An acute angle is any angle that is less than 90 degrees. Turn right! It's a right angle! A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. It can be written with a little thingy. That means it's a right angle. So you don't have to measure it. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is any angle that is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees.
Reflex angle. Roar!
A reflex angle is over 180 degrees. See the outside? It's kind of like an elbow. That's more than 180 degrees. Bisector. Bisector is a line or plane that bisects an angle or line segment. Woot! Intersecting lines! Intersecting lines are lines that will meet at a point.
This city, so pretty under moonlit skies, will be hanging like a cigarette, so stunning. Start running tonight's like a knife. Would you cut me with your kiss?
Da 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 ba ba da da.